Hi friends, good evening. Finally, Nifty has become major today, touched 18,000, but unable to close above 18,000 level, and then it closed below the important number, which is 17,956. Let's see how it's going to behave, this week. And as I already mentioned that, this week was a very, very crucial week because this is 81st week from the March 2020 low. And this week we will have the major top or the major bottom. Okay. Let's see, we have another 4 days to go. Let's see, whether it's going to do a bottom or the top. And let's see how we are going to trade from the next week. And this video is not about Nifty. This video about Nifty IT. Okay, so yesterday, that is on Friday, I think TCS came out with the result, and the result was very good, I believe. But suddenly the stock came down by roughly around 7% today. And as I already mentioned before that, on 5th October, the Raghu and Kritika combination, which is actually not good for IT companies. Let's see, I'm seeing something good in my based on my system design. There's nothing to do with astrology, based on my system design. And whether can we initiate trade in TCS or Infosys or even HCL Tech. These are the 3 companies which I like the most. So I just want to show my system design and where Nifty IT is there, and what is the way how it's going to perform in the coming weeks. Okay, and only TCS has come out with the results, so the big guys are yet to come. Let's watch out, but we will see how the system is now, what my system says right now. Okay, we'll go to the chart and from there we'll take it out. Okay, so this is Nifty IT on a day candle. Okay, so I've already marked the important dates. 29th September was very important, 5th October, which I already mentioned, which is very important, and 21st October, which is very, very important, which is going to come in the next week. Okay, so now what happened here was, first 21st September low, 29th September low and 5th October low are one and the same. This is number one. So the 5th October low is respecting the 29th September low. So if you see this is the red color line, this was the bottom, which is 34,721. And apart from that, if I take this out and if you see my system, so whenever it comes and touches my blue color, it will bounce. And here also the same thing happened. And today, because of TCS, it came very near to my system number, and closing was happened somewhere here, 35,175 level. So till Nifty IT is not able to close below this 34,337 level. You can take it as 34,330 level. It has to close. It has to close below that number. If it doesn't close below that number, it means there is a possibility that IT will pull back. Okay, let's see what is going to happen on 21st, which is the deciding date. Okay, now if you go to Infosys, okay, this week the very important number for Infosys is this number, which is 17,025. Sorry, 1,725, but it is not able to close above that, and it came down badly, and it closed at 1690. But anyway, till Infosys holds this number, which is 1627, nothing to worry, and you can take a buy call at 1645 level, and the stop loss should be 1626 level. Okay, and if I go to TCS, exactly it came and touched my system number. Okay, this is my system number, which is this blue color line, not this. This is the TCD blue color line. Okay, so it came and touched my blue color and closed above. Till TCS holds 3627, you don't need to worry about it. Another 60 points from here. what we can do is, in case if it comes to this level, which is 36.25, you can buy TCS with a stop loss of 5 rupees. That is more than that, because it won't give up this number so easily, because the undercurrent of the market is very bullish. And so possibility it will take a U-turn from here, but the stop loss is only 5 rupees. Okay, because this is my system design. Okay, so now if you go to Tech Mahindra, so Tech Mahindra already touched my blue color and it is trading above that only. And my next thing is maybe we can see Wipro also. Wipro also touched my blue color number and then it was trading high. And the HCL Tech was superb today. It came exactly touched to my blue color line, which is that 1235, and from there it's a big bounce of roughly around 75 rupees from this system number, okay, which is this blue color line. It means it is not ready to go down. HCL Tech is not ready to go down, and there are a lot of buying emerging on the bottom. So till it holds 1216, we can simply hold on to HCL Tech. And I think 1 month back, I've sent a chart saying that the possible target of HCL Tech is roughly around 1,800 rupees. And I gave that information when it was here, when the TCD was happened on 26th August 2021. See, after this, if you go and check your August PPT, you will know this. This is the date. See, when it respected this date low one time, second time, and after that it flared up like this. And now it is coming and respecting my system number. But I don't know whether we have TCD. Maybe we'll check whether we'll have any TCD of software companies this month. Okay, so as of now, according to me, HCL Tech is looking very good. So in case if you get at 1233 level or 35 level, you can take a chance. And there is a possibility of going up only. So as of now, I am concentrating on TCS, and TCS took the exact support of my system number, which is 3667, and the stop loss should be 3630 on a closing basis. And HCL Tech I've already informed, because other companies are trading well high above my system number. Okay, Naukri way high, Emphasis that is also way high. HCL Tech I've already mentioned, and Mindtree, yeah, maybe we can try this guy because the stop loss is very, very small, and you have TCD also, which has happened on 20th September 2021. Okay, so the 20th September 2021 low is equal to my blue color system number. So in case if it comes and touches here for 4,100, you please take a call in this counter. Okay, the stop loss should be 4018, roughly around 2% is the stop loss, which is fine. Okay, so and today I'm not able to trade because my system went for a toss. I'm not able to, from the morning, Allies Blue went for a toss, so I cannot able to place any orders, and that's why I missed this blender. See what happened. And this is what I wrote. Okay, when it comes to 22, this I'm talking about Z. Okay, 284.5 we can buy, but it came to 285, and from there straight it went to 316. We missed by 50 paisa here because it respect my system design. Whenever it comes and touches my number, it will bounce. Sure shot. Okay. So anyway, I missed today, and that's why I'm not able to give the call. And today, few companies are in good profit, but I'm not able to sell that to encash my profit. What to do? Even till now, Allies Blue software, they are working all over India, but till now it is not started out. Let's see. And now we'll go to TCD and check whether we have any important TCD in software companies this month. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so now, and one more good thing which I want to tell you all you guys is finally SBI, it is not closed above the all-time high, which is 472. I don't know, whenever it goes and touches that 472, it started coming down, and today it closed at 469. But good thing is, one second. Good thing is it is closed above the TCD date high, which is 464. So now the stop loss is 457. You can run your position. Okay, I am long in this counter. So it went to 474, and suddenly there was a fall of 100 points in Nifty, and then Bank Nifty fell roughly around 250 points from the top. So this guy went to 474, and then it closed at 469. So the stop loss should be 457 and ride the trend. And see, one of my friend, he works in the technical analysis called point and figure, which is very, very deep. It's a big subject, and it is able to identify the bigger targets in a longer period of time. And based on my research, I'm able to see only 1,800 rupees in SBI. But based on his research, he is able to see 4,600. So the simple stop loss is on a positional basis. I'm talking, this is not going to happen, in the next 1 year or 2 years, because it is 1:10, because we are trading at 460 and the target is 4,600. So it is 1:10. Okay. So most probably we may see 1,800 level in the year 2023. Maybe 2027, 28 level, we will be seeing, SBI at 4,600. That's based on a pure technical analysis, and which is called point and figure, and that's a flat pattern. Even if I draw a flat pattern in a normal candlestick thing, I am seeing roughly around target of 1,861. But he is able to forecast something better than that. It's very good. So he's saying that the target is 4,600 level. So, and this stop loss is 317, and my stop loss for 1,800 rupees is 406. Okay, this is actually a positional bet. So if somebody wants to do SIP in SBI also, please do it. Every month you start accumulating 100, 200 shares, and then you enjoy the rally. Okay, so now good thing is SBI, it closed above the TCD number, and watch out for this guy, PNB. The high is 4090 and the low is 4020, I think. Okay, so today it closed at 40.45. The only problem with PNB is because last 3 months people are was betting heavily on PNB, and that is why the big players are eating the premium, and then it is not moving up. I don't know when it is going to move up. As I already mentioned in my last video, that the positional stop should be 38 rupees and my target is 63 rupees. It is only 2 rupees stop loss from here. Even if you buy it at 40 rupees 50 paisa, the stop loss is nothing but 2.5 rupees. And most probably I may take a bet on this counter tomorrow with a 20 paisa stop loss, because it closed at 40.45. In case if it comes to 40 rupees 20 paisa, I will buy with the stop loss of 40 rupees in PNB, and I'm going to buy only next month. And I don't know whether the F&O ban is released or not. Once it releases, I will try to buy in options. Okay, so I have given that. And PFC 144 was the high. It is not able to break the 144 even for a minute, and the low is 140. So we initiated a buy at 143.1, and it closed at 142. You can keep a stop loss of 140 and run the position. Okay, so now we will see whether there is any IT company is there. Yeah, one company is having the TCD date, which is October 20th. Okay, which is LTTS, L&T Technology. So, and 21st was the very important date for Nifty IT. So watch out for this counter. And 21st is Infosys again, and yeah, that's all. So we have only two companies. One is Infosys and second is LTTS. So we will concentrate on LTTS first because it's happening on 20th, and 21st being it is the important date for Nifty IT as well as the big guy Infosys on 21st October. I think they are going to come out with the result in day or two. I don't know when they are going to come out with the result. I think on 13th, I believe. I don't know. But still, I'm saying 21st is the big day for Infosys. We'll watch Infosys on that day. Okay, so now ACC, Bajaj Auto, Indus Tower. Okay, so watch out for this guy tomorrow. Today, this guy is down roughly around 100 rupees from the top. I'm talking about IRCTC. Tomorrow is the big date for IRTC. Let's see whether we are going to see 300 rupees upside or 300 rupees downside. Maybe we will. I'll go and check my system. I'll go and check my system whether how IRTC looks. Okay. Anyway, I'm closing this TCD now. I'll go to my system and check how IRCTC looks. IRCTC. On a day candle, this is nothing to worry. On hourly candle, it's again way far. On 15 minutes, yeah, exactly. It is sitting at my 15 minutes blue color line. So if it owns 4,744, we can go for long in IRTCC, and the first 15 minutes high and low is the key for tomorrow. If it breaks first 15 minutes high, please go long with the stop loss of 15 minutes low. Okay, and this guy is traders related. See, here also today it went up, came down, touched my blue color, and then it bounced, and finally it gave everything. And tomorrow is the big day. Watch out for this guy tomorrow. Okay, so I'm closing this. So keep TCS, HCL Tech, and Infosys in your radar, and ITC, IRCTC for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.